Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vegan protein powder. First, understand that vegan protein powder is a fantastic plant-based supplement. It's derived from sources like peas, rice, or hemp, offering a complete amino acid profile crucial for muscle development and overall health. When choosing, look for options with minimal added sugars and artificial ingredients to ensure you're getting the purest form of nutrition. The best time to use your vegan protein powder is often after a workout to support muscle recovery, but it's also excellent as a quick meal replacement or a nutritious snack. Simply mix one serving with water or your favorite plant-based milk. You can also blend it into a smoothie with fruits and vegetables for an extra boost of vitamins and minerals. Don't limit yourself to just shakes. Vegan protein powder is incredibly versatile. Try stirring a scoop into your morning oatmeal or yogurt for an added protein punch. You can also bake it into delicious muffins, pancakes, or even homemade energy bars. These creative uses make it easy and enjoyable to meet your daily protein requirements. To maximize the benefits, start with a smaller serving, perhaps a half scoop, and gradually increase as your body adjusts. Remember to stay well hydrated, as protein intake can increase your water needs. For personalized guidance on dosage and integration into your diet, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.